planted my little babies. I think I'm behind with some of the people here, but 2 Roma tomato plants and 2 eggplants. And in the middle, I have a cluster of baby trees. And I think I'm going to put them in a bonsai pot and make a bonsai out of them. They're the same trees that are in the yard. So I think it would be fun. I grew these from seed in my windowsill in my 1-bedroom apartment in McCluskey. Wanted to update everyone on my small mini garden at my apartment. Unfortunately, bad things happened. Look at this plant. Look at how the leaves are curled and deformed. Yes. I found out that this is from an herbicide that they spray every year, but since I didn't have a garden here before, they had sprayed in this area and I didn't know it. So this is my garden. I need to pull these out. They're never going to grow. So if you live in an apartment and have a little front garden like this, make sure that they hadn't sprayed herbicides in it. Next year, my garden will be in pots. Yep. I'm sorry that it didn't turn out. I had high hopes for all that fruit and veggies. Everyone, have a great day. And happy 250th birthday to my country, the United States of America. Bye-bye now.